We're here in Aspen, Colorado, the St. Regis Hotel. The Democratic governors are meeting.
I am here to bring to light a few misconceptions. Many of you are frightened of the secret ingredients in the patented fracking fluid blends from companies like Halibux. I'm here to tell you that I have sampled these concoctions myself, and not only am I still alive, I'm most certainly not dead and have experienced no obvious side effects.
While you may not feel the side effects immediately, fracking fluid has many very toxic chemicals in it, which can have severe long-term health impacts, especially when mixed with the volatile ingredient compounds found in flowaway water.
Using hydraulic fracturing, slick water, high volume, horizontal hydraulic fracturing is a dangerous proposition.
Each fracked wellhead burns 5 to 10 million gallons of water. And in a place like Colorado, we're pretty water constrained, and climate change is just going to make that worse. So we shouldn't be permanently destroying all that water.
There have been more than 1,000 fracking-related spills of diesel fuel, oil, toxic chemicals, and other contaminants in Colorado from fracking operations over the last 3 years. Dozens of which companies have reported to the COGCC have polluted Colorado's groundwater.
We want to move away from fossil fuels, including fracked natural gas, and toward a renewable energy future as fast as possible. And we want for our governors to protect us, the people, and look after our health and safety and welfare, instead of being spokespeople for the natural gas industry.
Whole families getting sick where they're close to where the drilling and the fracking is going on.
Even made it in the mountain.
Fugitive methane emissions are being constantly emitted. Volatile organic compounds are being emitted, and it's making people sick.
Despite what we keep hearing about how natural gas is better for our climate, when you look at the amount of methane that is leaking directly, natural gas is methane, and when you look at the amount of methane leaking directly into our atmosphere from the fracked wellheads, we're seeing anywhere from 3% to 9% of the methane leaking directly into the atmosphere, and methane is an incredibly powerful greenhouse gas. We also want for our Governor Hickenlooper to allow local communities to pass stronger regulations or put moratoriums or bans on fracking to keep it away from their local homes and their schools and their kids, and not threaten them with lawsuits. Our governors should be looking after us, the people, not the oil and gas industry.
Good governors do not frack their people.
You are a rat. You're selling out your state and mine.
Well, I just tried the fracking fluid. It doesn't taste too bad.
Well, I hope you drink a little more. Have a little more. And please farm land and eat the produce.